everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. Welcome back to Colorful Creations. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you a little quick tip how to finish off your vases. I do have another video on this, two videos actually, with finishing with resin and all that. And I show you in the video where I take a sander and after it's done, there's bumps on the top of it from the resin and I sand those off and that's fine. Now I just wanted to show you quickly because if you were to sand right down into the paint, it'll start lifting after a while. These are good, but I'm gonna do this, what I'm gonna show you anyway. This cookie jar, it's stuck to the cup actually, and so it's not really, like it seems okay, but like see it's that little spot, it would end up peeling. So I wanna seal that with more resin without doing the whole thing again. And also this top, the same thing happened. This whole cookie jar was kind of, I taped it up, and when I took the tape off and sanded down, like I sanded, just put the tip of the sander in there to get rid of the bumps. Now it's just the same thing. It's going to eventually lift and peel, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of resin to there. I'm gonna do it to all these just to be safe. These should be good, but if I'm selling them, I don't want someone to be really disappointed with their vase peeling after a few months or something. So I sanded them down before I started the video and I cleaned up all the dust. So I'm just gonna mix up a little bit of resin, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little bit and just put it right along the top so it seals all this in and then I won't have to redo it all. And hopefully I won't have any drips to have to clean up. So I'm just gonna be really careful with that. So I'm gonna mix up some resin and then I will show you that. I'm gonna measure it out, and then once I start to mix it, I'll have to put a mask on because once the two liquids start mixing, then they're toxic. And now this is ArtResin, so they say it's non-toxic, but like every resin has some level of toxicity. That's a hard word to say. And I just don't think it's worth it. So, I mean, I could do it outside, but it needs to be over 20 degrees and it's a little chilly out there today. So I'm just gonna do it in here. I'm in the garage, so it's not in my house or anything. So I don't need much. I'm just using a couple ounces there. It's probably way more than enough. So like I said, I'm gonna throw my mask on and mix this up, and then I'll show you how I put it on the top of them. Alright, so here we are 24 hours later. I was really careful to not drip any, but if you do drip some, it blends right in, it adds character, but now I have a nice smooth edge and I don't have to worry about that peeling. So there you go. You don't have to do that, but it just makes it extra safe, especially if you accidentally sanded down into the paint part. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.